Here's how to enable dark mode in Notepad++. Two methods depending on your version. For all versions, go to Settings at the top menu bar and select Style Configurator. In the window that opens, find the Select Theme dropdown and click it. Choose one of the dark themes. Bespin and Blackboard are popular options that switch the background to dark and the text to light, which reduces eye strain during long coding sessions. Once selected, click Save and Close, and Notepad++ will immediately update to the dark theme you chose. For newer versions of Notepad++, there is a simpler, dedicated option. Go to Settings, then Preferences, and look for a Dark Mode section near the top. Check the box, and Notepad++ will apply a system-wide dark interface instantly without needing to go through the Style Configurator. A tip: if you switch themes and some syntax highlighting colors look off against the dark background, go back to Style Configurator and adjust individual language color schemes from there. You can customize each language's highlight colors independently. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Quick.